Hey you guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Laura Dove here. I'm here to create a beautiful Valentine's Day look for you guys. So if you just stay tuned, make sure to subscribe. I love you all and let's get into it. First I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. Beautiful eyebrows I got. Yep, spooling them like usual. Next, I'm going to drop my phone. That's cute. Next, I'm going to take this angled eye brush and I'm going to fill in my brows. Yay! Fill those in, girl. Gotta make them perfect and precise like usual.
You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down.
Next, I'm gonna put, what are you doing? I'm gonna put concealer under my eyebrows to make them, like I said, sharp and pointy like usual. Yay! You know, I never used to like doing this, but it's actually starting to really work out after watching a couple YouTube videos. But who am I, girl? Who am I? Next, I'm going to take this tape and we are going to line outside of our eyes so that we have a nice, and like I said, sharp lines. Sharp lines, guys, yay! And then I'm going to use concealer to use that as a primer over my eyelid.
When you want to get off the darkest ground.
Then I'm just going to pat this in with the warmth of my hand just so it's nice and smooth, because you know, brushes and stuff. Yes, you look gorgeous. Yes, you do.
You should grow feathers and see this.
Next, I'm going to use this warm neutrals palette. Yep, and I'm going to show you that. That's good. Good job, Steph. And I'm going to select this lighter color. I'm going to dust it all over my eyelids so that when we put on our other sort of eyeshadows, it all blends in so well. So blended. Next, I'm going to use the Mario Master Palette by Anastasia. And we are going to use the shade Isabel. We're going to put that in our crease. It is a beautiful orange color that I use on a daily basis. Everybody needs this type of color. I love Anastasia so much. Will you marry me? Do not mind the sort of light that's going on. I kind of ran out of color and stuff. I'm going to use this liquid lip thing that's supposed to go on your lips, but I'm putting it on my eyes because I love the pigmentation. So we're just going to put those on the outside of our eyes and we are going to blend it in, honey. It's more like a coral color, but yeah, so we're just going to put this in the crease and hope for the best. After mass amounts of blending, we're gonna blend again. Always the eyes are bleeding. Always.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too.
Now, because I didn't like the coral look of it, I decided to put some more red on it. You know, red does justice. And we're gonna do what we did before and just keep blending it in. or at least try to aim for more the lower part of the lid, just so that you do not it kind of ends a fade, just a fade. And now I'm gonna put concealer on my eyes so that we're gonna create a cut crease, which is something I didn't plan, but that's what I came up with, guys. Don't judge me. And the next thing we're going to do is take this nice warmish brown color out of the same palette, and we're going to pack it on the outer of our lids to add dimension to the eye. That is Valentines. That sexy, sultry look that everybody looks for. And we're going to bring it up and blend it out as well, but not too high. We want to keep that definition of the cut crease. Me just making funny faces at my kids. And then I'm going to take that nice white color and pack it on my lids so that my eyeballs do not crease, because, you know, floppy eyelids. It's cute. It's cute. And then I'm going to take this champagne color out of the, I'm pretty sure it's a smoky eyeshadow palette. See, look at me pointing at it. It's cute. We're going to pack that on top of our pretty dusty little eyes. And we're going to make it nice and sparkly and shimmery champagne. And I'm going to take this Urban Decay Chemtrail glitter and I'm going to put it on my finger. Yes, we see that. And we're going to put it on our eyeballs using our finger, because that's the only way I know how to put it on, basically. It doesn't work using a brush. And we're just going to pack it on so we get nice glitter. And then I'm going to use this color right here. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone. Next, we're going to rip off the tape. Rip it off. And we're going to put primer on our faces to fill all of our pores, because we don't want a spongy looking face. We're rubbing it in. Rubbing it in. And then we're going to take this Revlon Color Stay foundation and we are going to put this all over our face and make a beautiful canvas. And we're just going to dot that everywhere. And we're going to take this beauty blender that I got from one of my sister-in-laws and we're going to just push this in our face. Whoever knew that MacGyver could do this? I feel like Da Vinci right now. Now concealer. We're gonna just line the outer. Yeah, so we're gonna put this everywhere where the tape was, on our nose, on our chin, our forehead, everywhere possible. And we're just gonna bounce this into our face, which is something that I keep saying, sharp and pushing into our face. That's a new one, guys.
When you want to get off the darkest ground.
And then we're going to use our MAC pressed powder and we're going to put this under our eyes so that our concealer does not crease. We do not like that. No, we don't. As much as we can try and stop wrinkles, it does not help. But we try. So you know how we made that sharp line earlier with that tape? Now we're going to use a liquid liner to try and create wing liner and fly to the heavens. When you do this, make sure you hold in your breath and pray to Jesus, because Lord knows, once you screw up on that eyeliner, whew, you can't come back sometimes. Next, we're going to use Urban Decay Solstice. I think it's like a pretty little glitter. We're going to put that on the inner corners of our eye. Pretty blue flecks. Slight tinge of red, but I love it. Now we're going to use some bronzer, and we're going to bronze up the face in threes on the side of your face, where your hollows are, and your cheekbones, and your forehead, and your jawline. Next, we're going to use some hard candy, this little trio here. We're going to take the contour color and we're going to put it in the hollows in the three-like shape like before.
When you
And next we will be putting on a highlight on our cheekbones, our nose, our cupid's bow, some a little bit on my chin and my forehead, so that we can shine up to the satellites and let them know that we're here. Hey, we makeup lovers love a good highlight, and I love MAC for it.
When you want to get off the darkest ground.
Next I'm going to be using this black glittery sort of eyeshadow, and I'm going to put that underneath my eyeballs so that it is nice and smoky. Smoky and hot for Valentine's Day. Then we're going to use mascara, whatever type of mascara you have, and we're going to coat our eyelashes and make them nice and voluptuous, because who doesn't love long eyelashes nowadays? And putting it on our bottom lashes as well so that they are lightly dusted with it. Now I was stuck between the coral and the red, and I said, you want to know what? We're just going to use both. We're going to use both, and it's going to look very nice. And I'm just coating my lips with this coral color first on the bottom. I should have maybe done it the other way. I don't know, but we're just going with it. That's what makeup's about, guys. It's about creativity and having fun. And that's it, you guys. This is my final makeup look. A beautiful Valentine's Day look. I tried to get right positions. Horrible lighting. I know. I'm going to try and fix it for the future. I'm very impressed about this iPhone and how everything turned out. I hope you guys stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try and do beauty at least every other day. Thank you guys for staying tuned. I love you all, and I hopefully you guys will come back and see some more, or maybe give me ideas. Love Pinterest for that. So yeah, thank you guys. Bye.
When you want to get